चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And we start this bulletin with an update on the markets and how they're reacting to Modi 3.0. Sensex and Nifty have risen to record high after Modi took oath as the Prime Minister for a third time. And that is the big update we have. And I'm told that Rajat is joining us live from the newsroom. All right, Saqib is joining us live from the business desk. Saqib, of course, we saw right after what happened on the weekend, the markets closed at a record high. And once again, we see that Sensex and Nifty have now risen, opened at a record high.
You absolutely pointed it out right. The sort of market improvement that we saw on Friday has gone a step ahead and it has snowballed into a lot of action at the share market. We have some top performers at the share market, and at the back of it is corporate India, which is marching behind the Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government. We've had a lot of congratulatory messages and a positive sentiment that's been coming in, a lot of messages pouring in with regard to how Indian economy has a very strong foundation and how markets will further rally. In fact, we've had a lot of corporate leaders, captains of the Indian industry take to social media. If I may just read out what Ola CEO Bhavish Agarwal wrote on Twitter. Bhavish said, and I quote, "The new government's priorities should include accelerating India's energy transition." Bhavish Agarwal says, "Make India the AI and compute hub of the world." So it's not just the likes of Bhavish Agarwal, who is eyeing an IPO later this year. His Ola Electric is eyeing an IPO. We've had the Confederation of Indian Industries, CII, and the FICCI this morning come out with statements saying that the industry is ready to work with the new government, saying how the clarion call of the Prime Minister for Viksit Bharat and Make in India needs support from the Indian industry, how there's a need of the hour to have countries' sustainable goals by 2030, and adoption of electric vehicles, how we need more unicorns. So in these statements that have been issued by industry bodies right since morning has had an impact on the market. Today being the first trading day on the share markets, there's action panning out from the share markets, clearly on the back of what industry leaders, what global investors have to say. We'll have to wait and watch in just another half an hour when the markets close for the day. How do the markets settle down at the day's trade end?
Absolutely. All right. Thanks so much, Saqib, for joining us with those updates coming in from our business viewers. Remember, our business is live right now. You can also scan the QR code. And right now, we will slip into a very, very short break. But, of course, we will continue our coverage from the national capital as political developments come in. Modi 3.0